Welcome back to Alternative Class. In today's video, we'll talk about how to use could and couldn't. Use could and couldn't to talk about ability to do something in the past. Examples: she could travel by herself. He couldn't fix the computer. Use could have to say something about the ability or opportunity, but it was not done. Example: she could have finished the work by Friday. Use could to ask for permission to do something in more formal way. Examples: could I share my experience to the class? Could we take a photo with you? Use could you as a polite way of asking someone to do something. Example: could you take me to the office of the principal? Use I could to make an offer to do something. Examples: I could fix the computer for you. I could buy you something to eat. Use could to make suggestions. Examples: Eric and Mark could work on the project here. I could invite Jake to help them. Use could to say what is possible, but not certain. Examples: he could have left his phone at home. They could be waiting for us at the train station.